in the forecast, which is above that point where I-95 is flooded. So that's a serious impact there. How about in Fayetteville at the Cape Fear River, forecast crest of 62.4. Alex, they are only in at 29.5. There's another 30-plus inches of water to come into that river before it crests in the next couple of days. Obviously, with a forecast like that, I mean, people are going to see flooding that are still dry at the moment, at least relatively dry in comparison.
Yeah, you're exactly right. There is just so much water yet to come. And here in Wilmington, we've actually seen the rainfall pick up. And so I don't want people to also think, like you point out, once the rain stops falling, it doesn't mean that the problem's over. That river flooding is something that will last for some time, even after Florence's rainfall ends here in parts of eastern North Carolina. Still, we've got plenty of hours to go before that actually happens. As we move through the overnight, the local National Weather Service office concerned about the
coastal flood advisory remains in effect until 3 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time Sunday. Locations: shoreline in and Arundel County. Tidal departure 1 to 1.5 feet above normal. Timing: around high tide. The next high tide at Annapolis is at 11:12 p.m. this evening. Impacts: water is expected to pond in the parking lot at Annapolis City Dock, causing parking restrictions in the area. Minor shoreline inundation up to 1 foot above ground is possible elsewhere. Precautionary preparedness actions. The coastal flood advisory indicates that onshore winds and tides will combine to generate flooding in low areas along the shore. Forecast tides are referenced to mean lower low water for now.